Hello, my name is Edward Mills of Hixson Autoplex of Leesville. Today, I will be explaining a few features about the 2019 Toyota Highlander XLE. The Toyota Highlander has three features that I want to bring to your attention. The first one is the automatic high beam. Automatic high beam, it dims the lights when you meet oncoming traffic. Also, it will dim the lights also when you come to the rear of a vehicle from their tail lights. We have the lane departure with steering assist. Your lane departure will give you an audio and a visual signal when you move to the left or right of your lane. With the steering assist, it will bring you back to the center of your lane, making small corrections. Also, we have the dynamic radar cruise control, which will keep you at a safe distance from the vehicle to your front when you are at a cruise control. Once again, this was a 2019 Toyota Highlander XLE. And just remember, you pick it out, we work it out.